हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने देखा कि अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन क्या होता है और nth टर्म कैसे फाइंड किया जाता है। फॉर्मूला डिराइव किया था हमने। इस सेशन में वी विल सी हाउ टू अप्लाई दैट फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड nth टर्म ऑफ एन AP इन सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Okay, so I am directly starting the questions. Let us write the formula first. To find nth term of an AP, the formula is AN. AN is nth term. Okay, and that is A. A हमारा first term होता है A plus N minus 1 into D, where A is the first term. A is the first term and D is the common difference. Okay, and n is the rank or order of that term. जैसे आपको suppose a 10th term find करना है तो n की जगह फिर आप 10 लिखेंगे and it will be like a 10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So it means that will be a plus 9d. Okay, very simple. This is how we have to apply the formula. So let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 says find 10th term of an AP. Find the 10th term of an AP. AP is arithmetic progression. So the terms are 2, 7, 12. Fine. So in this is arithmetic progression. ये दिया हुआ है कि arithmetic progression है, हमें इसका 10th term find करना है. So quickly we will write the formula first. So it is A plus n minus 1 into d. Now here if you see what is the first term? First term आपका है 2 और common difference find कर लेते हैं. So it will be 12 minus 7, that is 5. Right, 10th term मतलब n की value यहाँ पे 10 है. So here it will be A10 is equal to 2 plus 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 into d, that is 5. So 2 plus 9 into 5, that is 2 plus 45 and that gives you 47. It means 10th term of this arithmetic progression is 47. So answer is simple. Answer we got 47. Right? So this was simple application of the formula to find nth term of any question. Here it is 10th. So similarly 20th term, 100th term, कोई भी term आप find कर सकते हो ये formula use करके. Okay, now एक different type of question करते हैं. Question number 2 is how many two-digit numbers? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Are divisible by 3. Okay, so now in this question they have not given an arithmetic progression, but they have given you a clue how to form the arithmetic progression, and we will see how to apply the nth term formula of an AP to solve this question. So सबसे पहले let us form an arithmetic series. ये 2-digit numbers है. 2-digit मतलब कहाँ से 10 से शुरू होने चाहिए और 99 तक. ओके, यही है हमारे टोटल 2-digit नंबर्स. अब इन 2-digit नंबर्स में वो नंबर्स जो 3 से डिविजिबल हैं, तो 10 तो नहीं है, ये तो क्लियर है. ओके, 11 भी नहीं है, यस 12. सो 12 विल बी द फर्स्ट टर्म. डिविजिबल बाय 3 मीन्स नाउ कॉमन डिफरेंस 3 होना चाहिए. सो 12 होगा. 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21 and it will continue. क्या 99 3 से डिविजिबल है? बिल्कुल है. सो 99 हमारा लास्ट टर्म हुआ. सो ये फिनिट सीरीज हो गई ना, फिनिट एपी हो गई, हमने डिस्कस किया था लास्ट सेशन में. तो ये फाइनाइट एपी हो गई हमारी. फाइनाइट एपी में जो ए है फर्स्ट टर्म वो 12 हो गया और कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो 3 होगा. स्टिल वी कैन चेक ऑलवेज 3, राइट. सो हाउ मेनी 2-digit numbers? Let n be 2-digit numbers divisible by 3. मान लिया कि n नंबर्स हैं जो कि 2-digit numbers वो हैं जो कि डिविजिबल हैं 3 से. सो numbers are divisible by 3. जब भी आप कोई वेरिएबल लेते हो ना अननोन शो करने के लिए, सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यू डिफाइन दैट वेरिएबल. डिफाइन मतलब वो n जो वेरिएबल यहाँ पे मैंने n लिया है तो वो n किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, उसका क्या मतलब है. तो here we got n. Now like I am saying let it be an. So a is 12 here, first term. Formula very important, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. हम मान लेते हैं कि टोटल n नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स हैं तो an 12 प्लस n माइनस 1, कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है यहाँ पर 3. और जो लास्ट टर्म है ना nth टर्म वो भी हमें पता है 99. सो यू कैन राइट हियर 99 is equal to 12 plus 3n, you can open the brackets, 3n minus 3. So it will be 99. 12 minus 3, how much? 9 plus 3 into n. So transpose कर लीजिए, 99 minus 9 is equal to 3n. Okay, so अभी करते हैं 99 minus 9 हुआ आपका 90 is equal to 3 and 3 is multiplied to n. So when you transpose it, it will be divided. So 90 divided by 3n, and here we got the answer, that is n is equal to 30. It means there are 32-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. So our final answer will be 30. So देखा आपने कितने easily हमने find out कर लिया इसका आंसर by using this formula, nth term of an arithmetic progression. Let us do one more question of different type. So question number 3. Question is, here we have to determine the AP. We have to determine the arithmetic progression where third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Seventh term is 9. ओके, अब यहाँ देखिए कि nth टर्म वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करके हम एपी we can easily find out the AP, the terms of the AP. So first according to the given condition, third term मतलब A3 है 5, okay, and A7 है 9. Okay, अब अगर आप फॉर्मूला यूज कर लें an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So if I have to find A3 क्या होगा? A3 होगा first term plus 3 minus 1 into d. A और d हमें पता नहीं, वही we have to find out. Then only we can form the terms of the arithmetic progression. So this will be A3 will be a plus 2d. Okay. And then second, similarly, you can find for A7 also. So A7 will be a plus 7 minus 1 into d. So A7, that will be a plus 6d, right? So using these two, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now A3, we know it is 5. So we can write here 5 is equal to a plus 2d, and A7 is what? 9. A7 is 9. So you can write here 9a plus 6d. Okay. Now you remember solving simultaneous equations? Yes, whatever we have studied now, every concept will be used with each other. They are all interlinked. So here we will solve using simultaneous linear equations. Let this be equation number 3 and equation number 4. So we can subtract both the equations. Subtracting equation 3 from 4 we will get 9 minus 5, and it will be a plus 6d minus a plus 2d. Right, so it will be 9 minus 5 is 4, and you open the brackets carefully. We have negative term before the bracket, so sign of the terms will change. It is minus a minus 2d. So when you cancel, you will get 4. 6d minus 2d, like terms, we can subtract them. It will be 4d. Okay, so continue with this. It will be d will be 4 upon 4, that is 1. Okay, so we got the common difference 1 here. How to find the first term? That you can substitute the value of d in any of the equations. Suppose 3 में put करते हैं. So it will be 3 is equal to a plus 2 into 1. So that will be a is equal to a plus 2. That will be 5 minus 2 is equal to a. This will give you a is equal to 3, right? So we calculated first term and the common difference. So we can easily form the series now. Let us see how we find the series. So here first term is 3 and the common difference is 1. So first term will be as it is 3. Common difference is 1, no? So you keep on adding now. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And so on. Okay. So this is the final answer. We determined the AP by using this formula. And what we did, first we got the first term and the common difference, and based on that we formed the arithmetic progression. Okay, so this is how we have to solve questions using nth term of an arithmetic progression. So hope it is clear to you, and so I'll end the session over here. Bye then, dear students, take care. In next session, we will learn how to find the sum of n terms and problems related to the formula. Okay, take care.